Welcome to Linux Basics, Episode 1. Meet the terminal. I'm Adam, and in the next few minutes, you'll learn 5 commands that unlock the Linux command line. Let's start simple. Type pwd and press Enter. That stands for Print Working Directory. It answers the most basic question. Where am I right now? The terminal prints the full path. We're in /home/CuppaLinux. That leading forward / means root. The very top of the file system tree. Think of it like a map pin showing exactly where you're standing. Next, ls. Just 2 letters. It lists what's in your current directory. See those files starting with a dot? They're hidden configuration files. The system keeps them out of your way. But add -la and suddenly you see everything. Permissions, file sizes, timestamps. We'll decode all those columns in Episode 3. For now, just know that ls is your eyes in the terminal. Now let's actually go somewhere. cd stands for change directory. Type cd/tmp to jump to the temporary folder. Confirm with pwd, you're there. To go home, just type cd by itself, or cd tilde. The tilde always means your home directory. Now try cd/etc. That's the system config folder. And here's a neat trick. cd-. It toggles you back to wherever you just came from. Great when you're hopping between 2 directories. Stuck on a command? That's what man is for. Short for manual. Type man space ls and you'll see every option, every flag, with examples near the bottom. Press Q to quit. Every command on Linux has a man page. It's been the built-in help system since the 1970s. No Googling required. This is my favorite, and it's not even a command. It's the tab key. Start typing a path, hit tab. 1 match, it auto-completes. Multiple matches, hit tab twice to see all options. Saves typing, prevents typos. I use it constantly. So that's your starter kit. pwd tells you where you are. ls shows what's around you. cd moves you between folders. Man is your offline manual. And tab completes your thoughts. 5 commands, 1 key. In Episode 2, we create and destroy files. See you there.